She was larger than life, sort of. She did a lot of really amazing things.
She was known as the Amelia Earhart of the Sea. In 1931, Tedda Reichert won the International Championship of Outboard Motor Racing on Lake Guarda in Italy. Her championship boat is now on display at the Smithsonian.
She pretty much gave up the boat racing life, and she became a socialite in Hawaii, a doctor's wife and a mom and a homemaker. For the most part, a lot of the major trophies have been donated to other sports things over the years, but these are some of her favorites. The nice silver goblets and the silver trophies are all from my mom's speedboat racing days.
Though absent from racing for many years, the passion just wouldn't go away.
For her 50th birthday, my father gave her a sports car, and it changed her life. She always had that need for speed.
Behind the wheel once again, a passion for sports car racing was born. She became the only woman member of the Sports Car Club of Hawaii and continued to drive in local races in the 1950s.
This is her first racing helmet, and if you look carefully, you can see that it's leather on the sides here, and not much protection in the old days. She graduated into a more sophisticated Bell helmet for her car racing days, with the bubble shield, which was very cutting edge in the 50s. In fact, she was quoted saying that she just always liked to go fast, and she said, "I think I'll go fast until I die," and she did.